Okay, we're going to be drawing cube number 11 this time. We want to select New, and we're going to be drawing a standard IPT part file, so select Standard IPT. And we're going to create a 2D sketch, so select Start 2D Sketch. And we're going to be drawing this like cube number 10 on the XZ plane, so hover over the XZ plane and select it with your mouse. We're going to be using a different tool this time. We're going to be using the polygon tool. And the polygon tool, you might not see it in your toolbar. You may have to go up to the rectangle command. If you click on the arrow below the rectangle command and then go down to the bottom of the menu, that's where you'll find the polygon tool. Select the polygon tool, and notice when I select the polygon tool, I get a little dialog box, and the default is 6, a 6-sided polygon, which is a hexagon. We're going to draw an octagon this time, so you'll want to type in 8 in that dialog box. Next, we're going to go to the point of origin, and I want to select my mouse button there and drag up and to the right, and you'll want to turn just a little bit so that this octagon that we're drawing is arranged in the way that you see mine on the screen, where the top and bottom lines on the octagon are parallel with the horizontal line that goes through your graphic window or your computer screen. So once you get it oriented like this, click your mouse button to place it. Then we're going to select Finish Sketch. I'm sorry, we're not going to select Finish Sketch. We want to dimension this first. So we're going to select the dimensioning tool, and we want to dimension from the bottom of this octagon to the top. And we want this to be 5 inches, so type in 5 and enter. You'll need to select your view cube so you can see it. It should look just like this in your graphic window. Next, we're going to select Finish Sketch. And we want to extrude this. Select Extrude. And type in 5 for your extrusion. And OK. And that is cube number 11.